What? A locking bag? Hello there! So today we're looking at August LOCKENBOX, which did come in a box, but in that box wasn't a box. It was this fucking gorgeous cactus bag. Look at this. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's actually kind of huge. So let's look into it, shall we? And we got Curl Flo. Let me get the information for you. So this month we have the Curl Flo Revive range, which I believe is not available anywhere yet. So LOCKENBOX actually has like the world premiere of the products, which is so cool. Thank you so much, LOCKENBOX. Thank you, thank you. All the products are brand new. They have not been released anywhere else. It's honor for the LOCKENBOX subscribers. We can try them exclusively. First customers are worldwide. So what do we have here? We have 4 products. 2 of them are full size, 2 of them are travel size. And you also get the bag, which is from organic cotton, specifically designed for this month's box. As always, they're all Curly Girl Method friendly, and all of these products contain eucalyptus and palmarosa. So first thing is the Curl Flo. This is gonna be fun to read. First of all, we have a co-wash, which you get 100 ml of. So this is one of the travel sizes. You know how co-washes work, right? They're basically a cleansing conditioner, so they don't tend to lather as much, but they are supposed to cleanse your scalp. They usually have mild cleansing properties, and you can use them very frequently. They also tend to be very good for dry hair types, not as good on wavy hair or very fine hair. I kind of have like a love-hate relationship with co-washes. I do have one that I really like and that really works for me, which is from Curl Girl Nordic, but maybe I'll find another one because this actually sounds kind of cool. Usually when you would use this is after you clarify your hair, which is great because my last wash was actually clarifying. Okay, so there's no protein in the co-wash, but what we do have is avocado oil and also shea butter. So I am a little bit concerned for my waves. If you didn't know, my hair is 2B waves, high porosity, because as you can tell, this is not clearly my natural color because it's fucking yellow. It's usually 2B. Now we're looking at like day 7, so it's not really looking that great. Also keep in mind that every hair is different and you know your hair best. I am reviewing these products based on my own experience with my own hair, so it doesn't really mean that your hair is gonna react the same to the products, just so you know. The second product we have is the Revive Conditioner. And you get a full size. I like the bottle. I like a good pump. It is 250 ml. And this is supposed to be super lightweight, hydrating conditioner, nourishing. It has protein, oh fuck yeah, and it can be used very frequently because it has good moisture and protein balance. Looking at the ingredients, I can see some aloe, some hydrolyzed corn protein, hydrolyzed wheat protein, hydrolyzed soy protein, and I don't really see any heavy butters or oils. So I'm very happy with this. This looks like it's gonna be great for my hair. The third product we have is a foam, and I cannot remember the last time I got a foam in this box, so I'm very excited about this. So it's alcohol-free foam that is supposed to add volume. It has hydrolyzed quinoa protein, so it should straighten your hair. And there's also black seed oil, which is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antifungal. There's a lot of antis. Also, you can use it on dry or damp hair to refresh it. That's cool. What it looks like, it's again 250 ml, it's a full size. Looking at the ingredients once again, yeah, we really don't have any like heavy products, so this looks like it's actually gonna be great for wavy hair because it's very lightweight, it has some protein. Let's hope it has a good texture. And the last product we have is the Revive Defining Gel. You also get 100 milliliters, so it's a mini. It has like a nice light green color, and it's supposed to give you great hold and definition without crunch or sticky curls. It also has hydrolyzed quinoa protein, and you can use it frequently. So we have a very lightweight protein gel. So it does contain flaxseed extract, which is usually a good sign for me. Then we also have rosemary leaf extract, hydrolyzed quinoa, and that's pretty much it. So again, no really heavy ingredients, so I cannot wait to see how this one goes. And that is pretty much it. In the leaflet, you also have recommendation for the mousse gel mousse application method. So maybe we can try that. I think we're just missing some kind of leave-in conditioner, which is fine because I have plenty of those. So yeah, and then you get, of course, the cacti bag, which is incredibly cute and it's very spacious. I have a big head, just so you know. It's a big bag. Yeah, and that is pretty much it. Yo, Okay, if you're Czech, you know this. It smells exactly like this candy. Exactly like that. It's like a nice sweet mint scent. I'm gonna wash my hair and I will see you back here with my thoughts. I'm milking that natural light today like crazy. Anyway, this was one hell of an experience. So let me tell you about how I did all this, right? So I'm gonna move to the side, so as always we can show the clips. So first I washed my hair with the Curl Flo co-wash, which I was a little scared of because it does actually contain shea butter, but it turns out that it's not weighting down my hair at all. In fact, my hair feels incredibly voluminous, and when I was washing it, and I did wash it twice, it actually felt quite like nice and clean. Of course it's a co-wash, so you have to do some rubbing to really clean the hair. It's more like a manual labor than really letting the chemicals do it. I would say that for wavy hair, surprisingly nice co-wash. Also the eucalyptus isn't too strong, so you can definitely feel it on your scalp, but it's not like super tingly sensation. So this one was quite a hit for me, surprisingly. I didn't really expect myself to like it as much, but it didn't feel heavy at all. It's nice and creamy, it's easy to spread out. Good product. For the second step, I went in with a little bit of the Curl Flo conditioner. I do believe you wouldn't even have to use conditioner after the co-wash, but you know, I wanted to test it out, so I did. It's a very nice conditioner. It does have like a very lightweight texture. It again spreads very nicely. I detangled my hair with it with my Curly Secret brush. Perfectly fine, it worked great. My hair didn't feel too heavy. It's very nice. Again, I really like it. The eucalyptus sensation isn't too strong. Very good. I like the protein in it. And then I just went in with my styling. So for my leave-in conditioner, I did use the Curl Girl Nordic leave-in conditioner in spray. I also have it from LOCKENBOX, and it's one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. I skipped the curling cream this time. I didn't really feel like I need to use more to weigh my hair down. So I continue with the foam, which very good. It has like the right foaminess. It has nice creamy texture. It's not too thick, it's not too watery. It actually reminds me a lot of the Main Choice mousse, which is probably one of my favorite mousses that I've ever used. It's like my go-to when I want those like big clumps. And this one might be on the same level so far from the first impressions, but it has protein. So again, especially in the winter, that's gonna be a great advantage because my hair loves protein, especially in the winter. So I would say this is gonna be like one of my go-to products for sure. Then I went in with a gel, and this one also has protein. It's advised to use it on soaking wet hair, so I did. So I didn't like micro plop the hair, I just like squished out the water after I washed it so I don't lose all the moisture. And this is a interesting texture of gel. It's very lightweight. Like I like the texture a lot. It's kind of runny. It's not too thick. It's not too like glue. When you apply it, you can almost like feel the protein. Just that protein feeling in your hair. I could feel it. As soon as I started scrunching it in, I was like, oh yeah, there's the protein. Like you could immediately feel it. You can tell it has like a decent hold, but there's no cast, no stickiness, no like nothing. That there's like nothing. It's a very interesting texture and very interesting effect. And I don't think I have many gels that do that, but this one like did it, and like convincingly. While I was scared to diffuse my hair, but as you can tell, it didn't end up that bad. And then because in the leaflet they recommended the mousse gel mousse styling technique, I decided to go back in with the foam and actually try it out because they promised that it's gonna have some great volume. Also, I never tried that technique, so I really wanted to test it out. And now let's look at those final results. I have a couple complaints and a couple good things. I would say that the foam gel foam thing really worked because the volume is like unreal. I love it. But it's not like frizzy volume. It's more like just volume. There is some frizz happening, of course, because there was no cast on my hair at all. So I was really afraid that the blow dryer is just gonna like fucking blow it everywhere, but it's pretty fine. There's not much frizz going on. I didn't even use a serum to finish my hair because I just didn't feel the need to. It literally just felt like I already scrunched it out. It just felt so beautiful and soft. I mean, not to be mean or anything, but I'm kind of liking the definition. Maybe it's the styling technique. Yeah, there's a couple cute spirals and stuff, but it's not like, you know, like I can imagine better. Let's just say that. Also, another thing that I'm dealing with right now is the fact that my hair is the longest it's been in the last decade. Like, I want to cut it, but I don't know how, like, what to do with it. I do like these results though, I must say. It's not the best result I got from like the last, 10 washes. However, it's like, it has a very unique feel to it. So I like these products. I'm not sure what else is in the Curl Flo Revive line, but now I'm kind of curious to see. Especially the foam and the conditioner. I think those are gonna be like my absolutely holy grails in the future. I can really see myself using those a lot. My hair feels very good and it didn't even dry that long. The products are very lightweight. I mean, it says for all curl types, and I would say, once again, this is very true. I would say it's similar to the Briani products from the last LOCKENBOX. Maybe these are even like a little bit more lightweight. The gels are kind of similar, but not really the same effect. Yeah, I feel like those products would like mesh really well together. But overall, like, I'm 100% recommending these. I'm glad I got to try them before a lot of people could. And yeah, go get them. I think these would be fine for fine hair. They would be good for like high porosity, low porosity. I really don't see any like reason why they shouldn't be. Maybe to co-wash, but you know your hair, you know if co-washes work for you or not. Same thing with foam and gel. So it's really just up to you what you use, what you like to use. And the conditioner is really good. If you're looking for very lightweight conditioner, if you're looking for a very lightweight conditioner with protein, I think this is like one of the best ones I've tried, at least recently for sure. That was the Curl Flo LOCKENBOX Revive line. It looks good, it smells good, the bag is great. So this was like an amazing box from me. That is it for today. So thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing, and if you want to see more LOCKENBOX videos, you can check out the playlist where I have every single one I received since March. So I'll see you there.